Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Considering many of you must be getting ready to return to Bangalore from Udupi after vacation time, I am uploading my journey from Udupi to Bangalore via Agumbe Ghat. Full route is mentioned here. You can pause the video and check it. Distance in terms of kilometers is almost same as route via Shiradi Ghat. And again, this video was shot on my car dashcam 70mm M200 model, but I have muted the original audio and also making overall length of the video as short as possible. Journey started from Ambalpadi and I took Karavali Junction flyover towards Bramhavar to reach Hebri. And this road joins Hebri. This road is almost empty compared to the Manipal-Hebri route. You can even skip Hebri to reach Someshwar, but I didn't want to skip Butter Hotel for my breakfast at Hebri. Going through Someshwar now to start ascending Agumbe Ghat. Roads are narrow and I advise you to be careful and drive slow. Having 14 sharp turns in total, including 2 hairpin curves. Road conditions are really good as you see here. I am fast forwarding the video to save your time. It takes around 15 to 20 minutes to finish the ascending. There is a good veg restaurant here. Note that you do not get any other good restaurants on the way in the route for next 3 hours. That is still Belur. I am taking right here at Agumbe Circle, which takes me to Hariharpura. It's all single roads and overall conditions are above average. Hariharpura temple. I just did a quick visit and continued towards Balehonnur as per Google Map navigation. No good restaurants in between. It is advisable to avoid petty eatouts here irrespective of ratings on Google Maps. Service and food quality might be here and there if it is not your day. This route is taking us to Aldur and then to Belur. Reached Belur now. Roads are super busy as you see here. Roads from Belur to Hassan are not bad. Journey time. Yes, I drove little slow, and in general, this route takes 30 minutes to 1 hour longer than usual Shiradi route due to narrow and single roads. But there is no hassle of Shiradi like traffic jam. And it is needless to talk about Hassan to Bangalore. I took a quick break near Hassan. Resuming my journey to Bangalore. I am taking another deviation here by anticipating traffic jam near Nelmangala Circle. I do not suggest this route unless Google Maps shows traffic jam at Nelmangala. This is interior village like road and adds few kilometers extra. It takes to Magdi Road and then you can join Kengeri Utralli roads. Finally, reaching my destination after a long journey. In my opinion, it is definitely a considerable alternate route to Bangalore from Udupi until and unless there is a betterment in Shiradi and Sakleshpur roads. That's all I had it for now. Thanks for being with me till now. Composing these videos will take lots of efforts. If you found this video informative, please show your support by subscribing to my channel and hitting like button. If any questions or thoughts, please let me know in comment section below. This is Dec'24 signing off. Bye for now.